Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I've got something new from Anker. They just released a USB-C wireless charger. I really have always been pretty satisfied with Anker's products. They make really nice quality, mostly power related cables and charger bricks and things like that. So I bet this one will be pretty impressive, I'd say. Full 10-watt charging capabilities. I have both a Note 8 and a Note 9 that I use, so we'll be able to test it out and make sure it does support the fast wireless charging like it says. So let's open this guy up. So it is round, and it's pretty heavy compared to some of the other ones. I do have an older generation of the Anker wireless charger, and I do really like using it, and it also supports wireless charging, but it is micro USB. So as you can see, before we even get it out of the package, you can see that round USB-C port. Overall looks pretty nice. Has a, I think that may be just a plastic with a metallic look to it. I don't know, it's kind of cold to the touch. It'd be hard to say. It might actually be metal. So see, in the box it does not come with anything but some paperwork, and it does come with a short USB-C cable. I already have several, but for the sake of the video we will go ahead and use what they provide us here. And I'm going to plug it into a standard Samsung power adapter. It is supposed to also, like the old Anker, see there's a light ring underneath it here. It's supposed to have a good night mode where maybe it blinks when you first put your phone on it to let you know it's charging. But other than that, the light does go dim so that you can sleep. Alright, so now that it blinked several times letting us know that it was turning on, so let's go ahead and stick the phone on it. And if you can't see, the light does and is still lit up right now. It's blinking a couple of times. Do want to see if it goes off. So it is still blinking. Not too bright, but somewhat surprising that it doesn't go off like the other one. Let's see if we can't dim this down a little bit more so you can see the blinking. Well, it definitely is charging the phone. It definitely is fast charging it, and should be getting it the full charging capabilities that it can. Let's see, one thing I do like to check with some of these wireless chargers is how precise you've got to be. So it does pretty much like for you to set it directly on top of it. Now this is a little larger case too. You know, some people might say, well, that's because of your case. I've used this case for a pretty long time and haven't had too many issues with it on the Samsung dual wireless charger and the other Anker charger. So I don't expect that it will be any different with it, but it probably does decrease the amount of movement that you can make and it still get a good connection. So I'll probably give you an update video on it after a while and make sure that, you know, it is still working okay, or at least give you an update on this video. And but overall it is a really nice wireless charger, a little bit thicker than their previous model, but overall has a lot sleeker and nicer looking design than their old model for sure. So this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.